大家好。掂啊，正啊！呢一個活動咧就係歐洲歷史最悠久電單車品牌 Moto Guzzi 登陸香港嘅。咁啊，其實咧呢一個嘅品牌咧歷史悠久啦。其實咧真係玩開電單車嘅朋友啦，個個都係型男索女，一定咧有一款可以適合到你嘅風格嘅。現場嘅朋友俾啲熱烈嘅掌聲，就係 Moto Guzzi 香港區代理嘅負責人阿 Gary， 真係同我哋講幾句。
首先咧，我哋多謝今日嚟臨嘅各位嘉賓啦，同埋媒體啦，係好多謝總公司咧，意大利 Piaggio 嘅集團咧，就好支持我哋。咁咧，我哋就可以成為咗我哋香港區嘅總代理咧 Moto Guzzi 嘅。我哋咧就會將呢個好懷舊又有充滿懷舊復古嘅牌子咧，就會帶俾香港嘅同事喺香港打造成一個好有成功嘅品牌，同埋好受歡迎嘅品牌。咁希望大家中意呢個 Moto Guzzi 呢個牌子好。
We're going to present to you physically the V72 range, which we are going to be introducing in Hong Kong. Is really trendy and with a little bit of Italian flair. So again, thank you for all the organizers, the Alan staff, particularly for organizing this. We are very, very proud for having Alan as the official distributor for Aprilia and Moto Guzzi, and I hope and I'm really convinced you will be captivated tonight by this new one. Thank you very much and enjoy this evening.
Riders, are you ready? 準備好未？
其實以前咧有坐過 Moto Guzzi 車，因為以前喺法國有個 uncle 咧就係揸 Moto Guzzi， 細個就好享受喺個電單車上邊咯。最合我心意啊，梗係我自己即係 modeling 嗰架啦，中間嗰架啦因為代理咧就實在太多呢個款式俾我揀，又太多係啦選擇俾我，咁我係會揾代理買車嘅，其實係啦。